Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video I'll try to show you how you can actually play the 90 FPS battlegrounds mobile gameplay in the Poco F3 GT device. As you can see, this is a Poco F3 GT which I'm trying to use. So this is a request which has come from plenty of my subscribers. Can you please make a video separately dedicated for the Poco F3 GT, how to enable the 90 FPS by using the config file. That is what this video is about, friends. So try to follow exactly my process, so you will be able to get this kind of 90 FPS working 100% without any kind of issues. But one thing is that sometimes you may notice kind of frames may drop because this is not the official update. Sometimes this may not be kind of stable at all sometimes. And one more thing, using this kind of config file also may ban your account sometimes. So make sure that you know everything what you're doing, and don't try on the normal account. Try to use different kind of account, dummy account, before actually making these things work. So right now let's start with the procedure. So you can download the direct 90 FPS config file joining my Telegram group. As you can see, this is my Telegram group which is available SciTech group. It's easy for you to download directly from my Telegram group, as you can see, friends. So in my Telegram group, I did post the direct file what is required for this kind of 90 FPS config file. So first let me need to close everything. So once after you download the file and you extract a file, this is the one which you need to copy, which is a patch file. As you can see, patch file. So once you press copy, try to go back and now try to use the file manager application which is called the CX file manager. I'm not sure about other file manager, but in this video I'm trying to use CX file manager. You can download from the Play Store as well directly. Try to go to the Android. Okay, try to go to the data. Now try to find for the folder which says com.pubg.idmobile. You will be able to find it. Try to scroll down a little bit. There will be so many files, it's very hard to find sometimes, but let me try to check. Yeah, as you can see, this is the exact folder, com.pubg.idmobile. So try to click on that folder and now try to go to the option which is called the files. And before doing everything, all the copy and everything, try to clear the game from the background. Don't keep the game in the background. Okay, now go to this option and shadow tracker extra, and now go to this save. And now search for this packs, and in this packs try to paste. Now it's done successfully. Yes, so now you'll be able to play Battlegrounds Mobile without any kind of issue. Let me try to clear everything from the background. Yes, and start playing. And one more quick note, sometimes in the Battlegrounds Mobile gameplay, the settings option 90 FPS may not be visible. Sometimes I'll try to explain you what's the problem, but now right now you'll be able to see the 90 FPS working at this moment without any kind of issues. So in this way, you'll need to just download the config file and paste it, and immediately you'll be getting the 90 FPS in the Poco F3 GT. But be aware that your account may get banned, so that is the reason I'm not advising everyone to use it. So right now, as you can see, friends, you got the 90 FPS update after using the config file in this phone. 90 FPS, as you can see, it's working, and we are getting exactly 90 FPS without any kind of issues. And everything is enabled. Everything. I mean, the Ultra HD is also enabled, and HDR Plus Extreme and 90 FPS are also enabled. This config file, sometimes it's too confusing, but all the options are completely enabled right now to play at full potential in this Poco F3 GT device. Even I did upload a couple of other videos as well regarding the gameplay. So I think you did watch those kind of gameplay as well. So in this way, you will be able to get the 90 FPS working without any kind of issues in this Poco F3 GT. And one more thing, in the settings, if you try to go to graphics, if you don't see this 90 FPS, don't worry. Again, repeat the same process again and again. Yes, copy. Sometimes it may not come a 90 FPS option. So try to repeat the same process. It will definitely work again and again. So in this way, you'll be able to get the 90 FPS. But as I said, this is not that consistent. So we need to wait for the official one. So till then, you can enjoy this kind of temporary fix for the Battlegrounds Mobile gameplay. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, friends. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to join my Telegram group in case if you want to download the config file. That will be really helpful for you all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.